Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new then welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how I got my baby's hair in a lovely twist out like so. So on this day Laila's hair really needed a wash, so I did go ahead and wash it first. So I did do a video explaining a little more into detail on how I wash her hair. It's in the protective night hair care routine, so I'll leave that link down below in the description box, and I'll also put it in the info cards of this video. But yeah, I'm just saturating her hair with water, and then of course I'm going to lather it with shampoo, focusing on the scalp when I shampoo it, and then focusing on the strands when I condition it. I did go into way more detail in that other video, so be sure to check that one out. I do prefer to detangle her hair while either shampoo or conditioner is in her hair and her hair is soaking wet. It does help minimize the tears. Using a big wide tooth comb also helps a lot. So now that I have completely washed and conditioned her hair, this was so needed. Now I'm going to go ahead and start styling. First things first, I am going to separate her hair into all of the plaits that I want. I am doing 5 plaits for this style, so I'm going to go ahead and start in the back, and I'm going to part it with a rat tail comb from ear to ear. And although I am taking my time and being as gentle as possible, it may not seem like it because not only is Laila jumping, but I did go ahead and speed up the clips to save time for the video. And as usual, I am using Cantua Shea Butter Hair Moisturizer. I am making sure I add this to her strands and also to her scalp. I'm trying to get her scalp as moisturized as possible. So now I'm going to go ahead and divide the back section into 2 separate parts. And of course, before I add any hair accessories, I am going to detangle each section. So now I'm going to go ahead and separate her hair for the other 3 plaits and detangle each section and moisturize each section just like I did the 2 that I just displayed. Now for this video, I did cut out a lot of the parts of me detangling her hair, of course, because she did cry a lot. but that comes with the beautiful mane of hair that she has. So I did cut that out, but if you would like to see me detangle her hair, you know, if you're not familiar with detangling natural hair, you can check out our previous hair videos. Now that her hair is completely detangled and completely parted and separated neatly, the easiest part is doing the mini twist. So I'm just moving the top 3 plaits out of the way so that it doesn't get mixed up with the bottom, the hair that's on the bottom. And I'm going to be using the Eco Styling Gel. I do use this, but I don't use a lot. I take a very little bit, put it in the palm of my hand, rub my hands together, and then apply it to the section that I am working on. I do not add it to each twist because I don't want her hair to be crunchy or flaky. Even though the products always claim that that does not happen, I just don't take that risk because her hair does not really need gel, but for this style it does help. So for each section, I do believe that the amount of mini twists I did is like 5 or 6 maybe. I don't think any of the plaits had more than that. But if you notice she is pulling away, I do tell her to pull away because that makes way for more resistance. That way the twist is tighter, which makes the twist out neater, and it also makes it last longer. Well, now that I've completed this first section, you guys can see exactly how I would end up having all of the plaits. So now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the very same steps in each section, and then you guys will see the end result. So as y'all can see, I am done with the 2 back sections, but I don't know if you can tell, her hair did soak up the excess water and moisturizer I had already put in it. So in addition to the Eco Styling Gel, I am going to spray these sections as I work through them, just so I can have some damp hair to work with, because that makes this style so much more easier. Okay, so in my opinion, this hairstyle does not take long, but being that she is 5 years old, she is holding her finger up to go ahead and use the potty and get a snack and everything. So a style like this does take a lot of patience for kids. You know, they have shorter attention spans than we do as adults. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you're looking to do these type of styles with your kids' hair. So originally I was going to untwist this the following day, but this hairstyle just looks so good. I actually left her hair like this until picture day, so it was like 2 or 3 days, and this style was still looking super fresh, super neat, and I really enjoyed it. But of course, for her picture day, I did go ahead and untwist it, and you guys will see how that look at the end of this video. And of course, after those few days, I untwisted it and her hair still looked gorgeous. It was still shiny. Of course, I put a little of the hair moisturizer into the palm of my hands, rubbed them together, and just put it all over her hair before untwisting it. And the twist out itself actually lasts for the rest of the school week, so that was about another 3 days.
Thanks for watching our channel.